Welcome to Complete Email, providing email marketing solutions for your benefit. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be informed when I post. Browse abandonment emails are an email automation set up in your email marketing software that re-engage your visitor when they leave the page. These promotional emails lead visitors back to your e-commerce website and increase your conversion rate by reminding your subscribers to take a second look. They're also a form of remarketing, which uses your own channels to communicate with people who have subscribed to and engaged with your brand's content. Browse abandonment emails are triggered when a shopper takes a specific action on your e-commerce site, which makes them a highly personalized means of communication. Here are some tips from some experts. Number 1. Ben Zettler, Digital Marketing and E-commerce Consultant. Ben Zettler Digital. Differentiate the messaging of your browse abandonment emails from your core abandoned cart or abandoned checkout flow. When done right, your browse abandonment flow can have just as much impact on your overall revenue as abandoned cart or checkout, particularly if you tend to have a high repeat purchase rate. But use it as an opportunity to share more information about the products you sell in addition to just putting what products a user was browsing back in front of them. Number 2. Hannah Spicer, Director, Hannah Spicer Consulting. Talk about your unique selling points and drive them back to your top selling categories. Split the flow path by existing customers where you should focus on new arrivals vs. leads where you should focus on best sellers. Number 3. Christopher Maroney Pettit, Owner, Ecom Growers. Have at least 3 emails and 1 SMS message in this flow and keep it simple. Most traffic through this flow will originate from your campaign efforts, so there isn't a huge need to educate on the brand here, you just want to remind people what they were looking at. Number 4. Alexa Engelhardt, VP of Client Strategy, Power Digital Marketing. Think about what the user did not see on the PDP, your product detail page, that caused them to hesitate and not add to cart. This could be more information on ingredients, fit guides, use cases, etc. Add this content to your browse abandonment emails to overcome any potential objections and remove those hesitations. Number 5. Brandon Modis, Owner, Luxor Marketing. Don't be creepy with copywriting that makes it seem like you're spying on customers. Instead, use copy that is helpful or valuable to what they're interested in. Number 6. Morgan Mulloy, Associate Director of Retention Marketing, Avex Designs. Provide resources to answer questions before shoppers have them. For example, if you are in the fashion industry, highlight a resource helping find their perfect size. Also, be sure to show similar options. Just because someone doesn't convert on the original item doesn't mean that you can't encourage them to convert on another. Number 7. Abby Siciliano, Email Expert and Director Business Development, T-Nudie. Understand the different scenarios that are best to send a browse abandonment email and ensure the content differs from an abandoned cart email. Content should help to pull the subscriber through the funnel closer to conversion. Number 8. Ashley Izmailovsky, CRO Operations Manager, Smart Sites. Remember, the browse abandonment segment has the lowest buying intent among your database. They have not added items to their cart or initiated checkout. Maybe they are still shopping around for the best price, doing some research on the product, or just window shopping for the time being. In any case, what the user needs here is a strong value proposition that helps convey why they should return to the site and make a purchase. Hitting this segment with a discount code right off the bat may not be as effective as a link to a style quiz that helps match them to the perfect top for the event they have coming up next month, or an FAQ page that talks about your free returns and exchanges policy. Adding trust factors like this, along with social proof like reviews and user-generated content, is the most effective way to move a user from browse abandonment to purchase. Number 9. Darren Lynch, founder and CEO, Irish Titan. Use personalization to enhance the email. It's critical to understand what your shopper is looking for and follow with a suite of products that work in tandem together. They've already looked through your site and know your brand well. Give them a reason to return. Number 10. Cassie Benjamin, Email or Sims Channel Manager, Tadpole. Test user-generated content in your browse recovery emails. User-generated content can be anything from a customer review or images of your customer interacting with, using, or wearing your product. Sometimes customers truly say it best, and their insight into why a prospective customer should buy a product can influence a purchase decision. Just remember to always make sure you have permission to use your customer's content. Number 11. Eli Mitchell, Director of Partnerships, Lexer. To improve browse abandonment emails or text messages, identify your hero products. Hero products are those associated with high-value customer segments, showing strong repeat purchases tendencies. Include those identified products throughout the customer lifecycle and make them a cornerstone in your browse abandonment strategy. Number 12. Brittany Rickroft, Director of Marketing, Ghost Retail. One of the top reasons shoppers abandon their purchase is because they simply can't find what they're looking for. If they get stuck in their shopping journey, offering live one-to-one video shopping support can be a great way to get them back on track. Your live shopping associate can do the heavy lifting of helping them find what they need while your customer feels well attended to.